Dear student, today we are going to study a family Magnoliaceae. The Magnoliaceae family is a primitive kind of family because according to Bentham and Hooker system of plant classification, this family is kept at the beginning. That indicates the primitive nature of this particular family. Now we will see the systematic position. This family belongs to phanerogams because the plants belongs are seed bearing. Subdivision angiosperm because the plants are flowering and ovules in the ovary. Class Dicotyledon because leaves with reticulate venation and two cotyledons in the seed. Subclass Polypetalae because the petals are free. Series Thalamiflorae because flower hypogynous or superior ovary. Order Ranels because the stamens present, they are free. Many carpels are present and they are also free or apocarpous in nature. Now we will see the important distinguishing character of this particular family. The plant belongs to this family are showing shrub or tree habit. They may be deciduous or evergreen. Some are with a climbing or scandent habit also. The plants are woody, branched. Oil glands are present in their wood parenchyma. In some plants, wood, there is a absence of vessel. So this absence of vessel is a similarity with a primitive gymnosperms except nitum. So that's why we can say this family has some relations with the gymnospermic plants, and this indicates that the gymnosperms are the ancestor for angiosperm. The leaves are simple, alternate, opposite, may be entire or serrate, stipulate, stipules may be large, unicostate reticulate venation, oil glands are present in the leaves. Sometimes in some species the leaves are exstipulate. The inflorescence is cymose type. The flowers are terminal or axillary or solitary, cyme, they are large and showy. The flowers are bisexual, actinomorphic, hypogynous, they may bracteate, bracts are large. Perianth are present in two whorl, each whorl includes say 3 tepals. Sometimes the perianth may be distinguished as a calyx or corolla, their arrangement is cyclic or spiral. There are many stamens, spirally arranged, hypogynous. The stamens are emerging or originating from the base of ovary. Anther are bilobed, they shows the longitudinal dehiscence. The carpels are many, they are also arranged spirally, free or apocarpous. Gynoecium sessile, elongate, ovules one to many, anatropous, and they shows parietal placentation. The fruit present in this particular family may be follicle, samara or berry. So these 3 types of fruit you may get in this particular family. This is what one of the plant as an example of this particular family. The botanical name of this plant is Michaelia champaka. This is a flowering twig or habit of this Michaelia champaka. This is what a dissected part of flower showing thalamus, androecium and gynoecium. The androeciums are originating from the base of ovary. There are many carpels are present and that are spirally arranged. This is what a single stamen showing short filament and bilobed anther. The anther shows longitudinal dehiscence and the connective is come up at the top of anther lobe. This is what a single gynoecium with a swollen ovary, bended short style and small stigma. So each carpel is get fertilized and get converted into the fruitlet. So the fruit is etaero of follicle. This is a floral diagram of this particular family showing the whorl of spirally arranged perianth. Each whorl includes 3 tepals. Next to perianth, there are spirally arranged many number of stamens. At the center, there are many number of carpels. They are also spirally arranged. This is what a enlarged floral diagram. There are many perianths, tepals are present. They are showing twisted estivation, spirally arranged. Each whorl contains 3 tepals. Next to perianth or tepals, there are spirally arranged many number of stamens, and at the center, many carpels are present. This is what a general floral formula. Actinomorphic flower, bisexual, perianth 3 to many, or calyx 3, corolla 6 to many, androecium many, gynoecium many, superior in nature. Economic importance of this particular family. Economically, this family is important because it contains a plant that are useful as a timber value. Some plants are ornamentally useful, some are medicinally useful. As a timber, there are plants like Michaelia, Talauma, Magnolia, Alchimandra, Liriodendron, gives wood which is useful for making boxes, musical instruments, and toys. So white or yellow poplar wood is obtained from this plant, and that wood is useful to prepare a plywood, and that plywood is used for making furniture or cabinets. Some plants are ornamental because of their large showy flower or sweet smelling. For example, Magnolia grandiflora, Magnolia pterocarpa, Magnolia denudata, Michaelia champaca, Liriodendron tulipifera are the ornamentally useful plants. They are having showy attractive flower as well as fragrant in nature. Some plants are medicinally important because they are having some medicinally useful property. The plants like Michaelia champaca, roots are purgative. Purgative means they are useful for digestion. The flowers and fruits are also purgative. They contain essential oil. That oil also has a medicinal importance as a stimulant, stomachic and carminative. Flowers of Magnolia, Michaelia champaca are source of volatile oil which is used in perfumes and cosmetics. The fruits of Michaelia are also edible in nature. So this is what a economic importance of this particular family. The family Magnoliaceae is one of the primitive family. This primitive family is what shows the presence of plants at the beginning of appearance of the angiosperms. So these beginning plants are having some similarity with a gymnosperm, and that's why some of the gymnosperms and these plants of some beginning families or primitive families show some similarities in their characteristic features, and this similarity we can predict from this similarity the gymnosperms are the ancestor for angiospermic plants. The angiosperms are simultaneously evolved from the gymnosperm. The one of the character that gives the important link, that is what a vessel-less wood. Many gymnosperms are shows the vessel-less wood. So we can link such gymnosperms with these primitive kinds of angiosperms which appear first or at the beginning. So this is what today's family Magnoliaceae. Thank you.